Following Turkey's support to Pakistan during Operation Sindoor, India has now revoked the license of Turkey-based Celebi Aviation, which handles the high-security task at 9 Indian airports. Celebi Aviation handles the high-security tasks at several Indian airports, including the Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai. It manages 58,000 flights in India annually. The company, in fact, reportedly manages 58,000 flights in India. India could, in fact, soon sever trade ties given Turkey's role of supporting a quote-unquote terror state. Celebi's services in India include passenger services, load control and flight operations, general aviation services and also bridge operations among the others. Celebi Aviation Holdings conducts nearly 75% of its business with foreign carriers, while the remaining 25% is with Indian Airlines. So that's the fireworks against Turkey for supporting a rogue nation, for supporting somebody who harbors and nurtures terrorism on their soil. Following the support that they gave to Pakistan during our Operation Sindoor, India has now decided to take some stern action. And the beginning of it has already been witnessed. Revoking the license of Turkey-based Celebi Aviation is one such step. It is a very crucial organization. It handles high-level security tasks at around 9 major airports here in India, which also includes Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai. It also manages around 58,000 flights annually in India. India is also expected to sever the trade ties with Turkey very soon, given the role that Turkey has played while supporting the terror state. Remember, the drones were also found. And if we have to track the origin of such drones which are used against India during Operation Sindoor from Pakistan's way, they can be traced back to Turkey. Celebi services in India also include passenger services, the load control, flight operation, general aviation services and bridge operations among the other crucial jobs. So Celebi Aviation Holdings conducts nearly 75% of its business with the foreign carriers, while the remaining 25% of it is with Indian Airlines.